In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can enable dividend reinvestment on your WealthSimple mobile app. Now, dividend reinvestment simply allows you to reinvest your dividends automatically whenever you receive them. So this way, you don't have to manually buy stocks in the company when you receive dividend payments. It automatically happens in the background without you doing anything. However, that feature is not enabled by default, so you have to enable it. So from your mobile app, select your account. Here I'm using a TFSA. Then you're going to select settings, and then you're going to select this option that says dividend reinvestment. Now you're going to set it to on. And once you do this and you receive dividend payments, you'll be automatically reinvesting your dividends. That's a great way to grow your money. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.